Today we saw pretty much yesterday with Wednesday after elections expand higher to previous week's high as well as this daily high up here. Realistically, on a normal week, once you see price expand that much higher as well as S&T with all-time highs like this, you would be looking for shorts back down to the previous day's range to rebalance it and then continue higher. But we had Thursday, or today was Thursday, pretty much we saw elections be very bullish. So I came to today being very bullish to all-time highs, which was my draw for today. And now that we reached all-time highs, I think price can now retrace back into this previous week's range for expansion higher past that for a little bull run. I think we're entering a bull run. So we're going to see retracement next week or Friday back into here, and then we can see back expansion higher. So coming today was bullish, even though we are in a premium of this overall range. Price is overall bullish. ES is trading above all-time highs, so I was bullish to all-time highs on NQ. I'm looking at the daily open. I'm gonna drink some water real quick. Essentially off the daily open, right? We just saw bullish expansion higher. We saw price first trade lower. I think there's no imbalance here. Yeah, there's no imbalance. Yeah, price is like traded lower and then higher during the overnight. So just a bullish continuation day once more. And then so at 9:30 a.m. open, right here, we just saw price expand higher and versus 1 minute. Price traded back into that 1 minute with this candle right here, which supported us higher. Pretty much respecting every single bullish PD ray. So once you see that, you should be only looking for longs. Right here, price formed this 5 minute. We expanded higher off of that and then formed another 5 minute for value gap right here. And we see price be very bullish like this, trading above highs. Like we sweep out highs and trade above it. Like we swept out this high, trade above it. We swept out this high. You're trading above it. You should only be looking for longs as in a continuation model. And we formed a 5 minute imbalance right here. We accumulated, pretty much formed a lower time frame power of 3. Price accumulated, we manipulated lower, swooping out that low into that 5 minute, forming this lower time from S&T as well. That's where I entered long, strictly off that swoop. And I targeted -2 standard deviation. I could have targeted all-time highs, but I didn't want to sit in this trade for too long because we had Powell or FOMC. We had FOMC at 2 p.m. So I was happy with -2 standard deviation. We also were in this trade for about over an hour. What do you mean there's no amounts? There's a 4 hour for value. There's a 4 hour for value, but price never traded into it. Look. Right? There's this 4 hour gap here, but price never traded into it. We never traded into it off the daily open. I've traded it as a breakaway gap. And now on ES or on NQ, sorry, we've now traded all-time highs. I need to spit this gum out, bro. Hold on. We've now traded all-time highs on NQ. We've swept out all-time highs now. So looking at this, now that we swept out all-time highs, I'm either looking at two things for Friday, because Friday we trade Friday differently, right? Friday we either trade as a TGIF, which is pretty much closing back within their weekly range, so we'll be bearish tomorrow. But looking at the overall week, it has been a bullish expansion. So I'm honestly gonna be looking at expansion tomorrow, see how it sets up. But I'm more neutral going to tomorrow because there's two ways it could play. It could play as a retracement back into the weekly range or just continuous expansion higher off elections. And then maybe retracement back into the previous range next week. So I'll be more neutral tomorrow, even though we were very bullish Wednesday and Thursday. Coming to Friday, more neutral, just because it is TGIF and we just took all-time highs. It's setting up for a a open high, low, or open low high, and then our close back within the weekly range. You guys have any questions? I didn't enter off the suit, I entered the 1 minute busy. Let's see what you're talking about here. Oh, okay, this 1 minute fair value gap right here. That's another good entry. We inverse that, retrace back into it, and then support price higher. I entered on the soup because this was a clear lower time frame power of 3 turtle soup SMT into a PD array with a draw on liquidity. So it was a setup good enough for me to take off the soup. And negative standard deviation was my target. I'm just hoping PA is better with elections. Bro, PA has been better. PA has been better with elections. Can you go over your trades this week, wins, losses this week, break even too? I'm not gonna lie, I don't remember the trades I took this week. We can look at my Instagram though and see the trades I took this week because I don't remember all the trades I took this week. But my Instagram has them. I post the recap every day. So this was yesterday. Okay, I remember yesterday's trade. Yeah. All right. Holy shit. Yeah, all right. Yesterday Tuesday I took a long and a short. Okay, so Tuesday for the short, I remember now. On the short, I took Tuesday price, traded into this daily fair value gap right here. This big box is this daily fair value gap. This was before elections, so I wasn't expecting this huge bull run. So I was actually leaning more bias off that daily SIBI, so that's why I took a short. So we price traded into that daily SIBI right here. All right, and then off that daily SIBI, we formed pretty much a bearish market structure. So we traded into that daily SIBI and we're started trading lower. And then on the 5 minute time frame, we actually inversed a 5 minute imbalance. So yeah, this wasn't a clean entry, but I wasn't really looking for longs here. But we inversed that 5 minute fair value gap, price traded back into it with, dude, this is so annoying. We inversed that 5 minute imbalance, price traded back into it with this candle. I entered short there, and my target was just, I think I targeted like the AM like this low or something, some low, but that was that short on Tuesday. And then we actually ended up rallying for the rest of Tuesday as well. And then Wednesday was easy. We caught longs on Wednesday as well. If I find, yeah. Yeah, I think I did. I took 2 trades before the one trade. So at all-time highs, if there's no drop, but you guys set up, what you going to do? Well, I mean, when you're at all-time highs, ICT essentially said just keep buying until you lose. Pretty much just keep buying until it stops working. So for how I'm going to trade this is for Friday, I'm going to look at Friday to see if we can either end in TGIF or continue past all-time highs. But for next week, when you're trading above all-time highs, all you do is just keep buying. So we're gonna trade targeting negative standard deviations like this. Target standard deviation. You guys got any more questions? Market recap was pretty simple today. We just saw bullish continuation all day. We caught a continuation model and traded to -2 standard deviation. Off the daily open, price actually expanded. Damn, expanded $300 today, $332. Bro, my mom already said Christmas tree. That's fire, bro. I wish I was home to do all that shit. I miss home so much. I want to go home, bro. Anyone else stay up too late thinking about ways to make money and better ones? Are just me? Nah, I definitely do that. I definitely do that. Just improve life. Like right now, as of right now, I'm good financially. I'm good, I'm good financially. Like I'm going to the gym. I'm good. My fitness is good. I just mentally though, it's just I don't know. My mental has been cooked lately. I don't know why. Just burnt out, I guess. Not depressed, but unmotivated. I don't really know the word. Not unmotivated. I still motivated to do shit. Just nothing to look forward to. That's a good word. Nothing to look forward to. I literally have nothing to look forward to, bro. My life has been a fucking. Yo, Sage, bro. When you
Yo, I tried.
when you have nothing to look forward to, bro. You just want a relationship. That's it. I mean, that would help, but that's not what I need. But it would definitely help.